AI in robotics, from factories to home assistants. Artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics are two rapidly advancing technologies reshaping industries, workplaces, and daily life. From industrial robots on manufacturing lines to AI-powered home assistants, these innovations are bridging the gap between automated machinery and intelligent systems. The integration of AI in robotics is transforming both industrial applications and consumer products, offering unparalleled efficiency, convenience, and innovation. AI in industrial robotics, revolutionizing factories. Industrial robotics was among the first sectors to experience significant growth with the introduction of AI. Traditionally, factory robots were designed for repetitive tasks, such as assembly, welding, or packaging, with limited flexibility. However, AI has made these machines smarter, more adaptive, and capable of performing a broader range of tasks. Key applications in industrial settings. 1. Quality control and inspection. AI-driven robots use computer vision to detect defects, inconsistencies, or errors on production lines. 2. Predictive maintenance. Machine learning algorithms analyze operational data to predict equipment maintenance needs, reducing costly downtime. 3. Autonomous material handling. AI-powered robots can transport materials across large warehouses or factories with precision and minimal human supervision. 4. Collaborative robots, cobots, designed to work safely alongside humans. Cobots use AI to understand their environment, enhancing workflows and productivity. Benefits of AI in factories. 1. Continuous 24/7 operations, boosting productivity. 2. Improved accuracy and reduced production errors. 3. Enhanced worker safety through automation of hazardous tasks. AI-powered home robotics, enhancing everyday life. AI-powered robots have transitioned from factories into homes, where they assist with tasks ranging from cleaning to personal care. Home robotics focuses on convenience, making these devices essential for modern living. Popular AI-enabled home robots. 1. Robotic vacuum cleaners. Devices like iRobot's Roomba use AI for mapping rooms, avoiding obstacles, and optimizing cleaning routes. 2. Home security robots. Equipped with cameras and sensors, these robots monitor homes, detect suspicious activity, and send real-time alerts. 3. Personal assistants. Robots like Amazon's Astro can provide reminders, control smart home devices, and even offer companionship. 4. Robotic lawn mowers. AI-driven mowers autonomously maintain lawns, adapting their paths based on obstacles and grass growth. Benefits of AI in home robotics. 1. Time-saving automation of everyday tasks. 2. Enhanced home security and monitoring capabilities. 3. Increased accessibility and support for elderly or disabled individuals. Technological advances driving AI in robotics. Recent innovations are accelerating the integration of AI into robotics, making them more efficient, adaptive, and accessible. 1. Machine learning. Robots learn from data and experience, improving their performance and decision-making capabilities. 2. Computer vision. AI-powered robots use visual data from cameras and sensors to navigate and interact with their surroundings. 3. Natural language processing, NLP, service robots and home assistants understand and respond to human commands. 4. Edge computing. By processing data locally, robots achieve faster response times and greater reliability. Challenges and ethical considerations. Despite the many benefits of AI in robotics, challenges and ethical issues must be addressed. 1. Job displacement. Automation of repetitive tasks could result in job losses, particularly in manual labor sectors. 2. Privacy concerns. Home robots with cameras and microphones raise concerns about data privacy and security. 3. Bias in AI algorithms. Unintended biases in AI systems could lead to unfair or unreliable outcomes. 4. Safety risks. Ensuring that robots operate safely in dynamic and unpredictable environments is crucial to avoid accidents. Future outlook. The road ahead for AI in robotics. The future of AI-powered robotics promises exciting possibilities, with innovations set to enhance both industrial and home applications. Emerging trends include: 1. Healthcare robots. Assisting in surgery, patient monitoring, and elderly care with AI-driven precision. 2. Agricultural robots. Automating planting, harvesting, and crop monitoring using AI-based precision agriculture. 3. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and delivery drones will redefine transportation and logistics. 4. Social robots. Designed to interact meaningfully with humans, these robots will provide companionship, education, and emotional support. Conclusion. A more connected and efficient future. AI in robotics is revolutionizing industries and enhancing everyday life. By automating repetitive tasks, optimizing processes, and offering personalized assistance, AI-powered robots are becoming essential in both factories and homes. As technology continues to evolve, collaboration among researchers, policymakers, and businesses will be crucial for ensuring the ethical and effective deployment of AI-driven robotics, paving the way for a smarter, more interconnected world.